Welcome to InzTron. How are you? Today we're talking about GTA 5 Ultra Light version. Yes, some previous days I create a GTA 5 Ultra Light version. It's a 15 GB, but here is a 13 GB. There's so much also optimized related graphics, and I will be play in 4 GB RAM, but I don't know there's a working or not. But if you're new here, then subscribe the channel and follow me on Instagram. That is a developer Opti project which optimize the GTA 5, and you can go check out the channel and also support because there is very impressive work. Now move on the next. I use a Winaltor emulator. There is a Ludashi version because there is a good for a Mali GPU, but you can also use a game hub. There is a good, and also there are some issue are fixes like Mali GPU, like a DirectX X11 issue is fixed. Whenever you open a Winaltor Ludashi version, then you see allow screen, and you can allow it, and then there's a installing system file, and there's some little bit time to complete this. Go to setting, and there's a box 64%. If you click here, then you can click performance, and second option is FVX core present. Then you can click performance, and scroll down. You can also enable a dark mode. Then scroll down, there's a cursor speed, you can increase 200%, and there's a done. And then you go to a input controller. There's a very important part. You can choose a virtual gamepad, but there's a scroll down in a import file. You click a import file, and some download file. If you have download, then so much virtual emulator. There is a GTA 5.icp. you can click it and it's completed, and we will go to a big picture mode. There's a screen test. Okay, just go to a hair setting and just scroll down, and there's some option wave gear quit and no background. You can choose, and showing some like screen type. There's a working fully and not, and in my case there's a working quite better. Okay, let's create the container. You click the plus icon, and I provide this name. It's GTA 5, and yes, GTA 5 is be good. And then next, there's second option is screen size. If you can 80, 54 and 480, there's a good, and for low end device. And the wine version, let it remain as it is, and move to a graphic driver. They select a wrapper, and Vulkan version choose a 1.3, and okay, and we will go to a DX wrapper and click in DXVX and VK3D version, and go to a setting, and there is a DXVX version 1.10.3. there is good for Mali GPU, and my device also a Mali GPU. And you go to audio driver, pulse audio. You can also choose a show FPS, but there's already in game. They don't click it, and we will go to win components. Let's remain it, and the setting as it is, and we will go to drives. We'll go to advanced setting and choose a box 64 version 0.3.7, and select a box 64% as a performance. And startup selection, we will go to aggressive, and there's a process infinitive and process infinitive 32-bit apps. You can all CPU will be select, and click the check, and there's a process for creating a container. There's a little bit time, and I will try this game in my phone. My phone specification is a 4 GB RAM, and it's a Mali GPU, but unfortunately the game is crash. Okay, but if you play in a 8 GB RAM, also 12 GB RAM with a good processor, the game is working. Okay, if the game open, there is a C screen, a verification screen. You can put in last thing, in the last thing. You can also watch, and you have some confusion, then you comment it. Okay, and now this is working, but there's some mobile doesn't work very well. If you think there's a 8 GB RAM phone and the game will be so much lag issue, and there's a graphical issue. I tell you something important thing in this game, like you seeing GTA 5 size is a 120 GB, but this optimized size is a 13 GB, uh, this game. And there's a unfortunately you don't have any mission in this game, and there's some NPCs are gone, and so much cut things in this game. You can drive the cars, bikes, and so many vehicles, and you can also shoot, fly. There is so much explore thing, but you can't access a mission, and so much you get the character doesn't happen this game. I hope you understand. And that's a today video. If you like the video, then like it, comment it, and using left and right video, go and watch out. Then okay, bye bye.